Listen to these short sentences. She likes. He wants. We go. Are these complete English sentences? No, they are not. But why? They have a subject and a verb, just like we learned in our very first lesson. In episode 1, we saw that a simple subject and verb can form a complete sentence, like he runs. So what is different here? What is missing? Today, you are going to learn exactly why these sentences feel unfinished and how to fix them so you can speak clearly and confidently in real conversations. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the JISH Learn English Podcast. I am Shaylin. Let's get started. Let us start by understanding the problem with a sentence like she likes. Imagine you walk up to a friend and simply say, she likes. Your friend will probably look at you with a confused face. They will wait for you to continue, and then they will ask you, she likes what? Because naturally, in our minds, we expect more information. She has to like something. The idea feels incomplete without it. In English, some verbs can stand all by themselves. For example, if you say, I sleep, or he runs, the idea is complete and clear. But other verbs like want, need, or like cannot stand alone. They need something more. They need a missing piece to finish the meaning. In English grammar, we have a special word for this. We call it a complement. A complement is simply the word or phrase you add after a verb to complete its meaning. Without it, the sentence feels unfinished. A complement can take many different forms, depending on what you want to express. It can be a person, a place, a thing, or even another action. Let us go back to our unfinished sentence, she likes, and fix it together step by step using different kinds of complements. First, we can complete the sentence by adding a simple thing, which is a noun. For example, she likes strawberries, or she likes her new shoes. Now the idea is complete and it feels natural. But what if she likes doing an action instead of a thing? In that case, we have two simple and very common choices. First, we can add a verb with ing at the end. For example, she likes swimming. Second, we can use to with the base form of a verb. For example, she likes to read books. Both of these structures are correct, and both give the verb like the missing piece it needs to feel complete. Now, sometimes in real life, adding just one word is still not enough to fully express your idea. Sentences can grow step by step, almost like a chain or a domino effect, where one part leads to another. Let us build a longer sentence together to see how this works clearly. Imagine I say, she likes getting up. Grammatically, this is correct, but it still feels a little incomplete or unusual, right? Naturally, we want more detail. Getting up when? So let's add more. She likes getting up before the sun. Now again, it feels unfinished. The sun does what? Finally, we complete the idea. She likes getting up before the sun rises. Now we have a clear, natural, and meaningful sentence. You can see how each part of the sentence supports the next part, and together they create a complete idea. Because of this, I want to give you a very important tip for learning English. When you learn a new verb, do not learn it alone. Learn it with the words that usually come after it. Do not just learn want to buy. Do not just learn go to the store. When you learn vocabulary in small phrases like this, your brain understands how the sentence naturally continues. This will help you use complements correctly, and it will make your speaking much smoother and more confident. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Some verbs like want, need, or like cannot stand alone. They need a missing piece called a complement to complete the meaning. You can complete these sentences with things like I want water or with actions like I want to drink. Now it's your turn to practice. I want you to finish this sentence. I need. Tell me one thing you need right now or one action you need to do today. Write your complete sentence in the comments. I would really love to read your answers. If you learned something helpful today, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. In our next episode, we'll learn how to add beautiful descriptions to our simple sentences. See you all in the next episode. Bye-bye.